Go lift your heart up and follow me to the place where we belong. Where we belong. Go lift your hopes up so we can find the light, find the light in you.
I just wanna give you all my night, but you are not here, my lover. Only got a constellation of stars, dancing with the clouds, just messing around. I try to imagine what tomorrow hides, if we will be here together, if we will continue writing lines of the story we just started to write. The pages in my bed are waiting for your beauty tonight. I need to understand if we will meet again to write. The pages in my bed are waiting for your beauty tonight. I need to understand if we will meet again. If we will meet again. If we will meet again. Life is happening, building my luck. Now I'm living what I've dreamed. All the goals I had since I was child are bringing colors every day to my life. It doesn't matter everything I've got, if I'm alone it ain't worth nothing. I just remember meeting you at Bangkok, and the story we just started to write. The pages in my bed are waiting for your beauty tonight. I need to understand if we will meet again to write. The pages in my bed are waiting for your beauty tonight. I need to understand if we will meet again. day, desperate fight. My fears are waiting for me at the outside. Overwhelmed, feeling low. I'm the star in this depressing one-man show. Wish I would be able to flee, but I'm not stable. Wouldn't stand a chance, it's just too much to handle. I need an inspiration, another world I have to see. I travel with my puzzle station to a place of fantasy. Whatever I wanna be, nothing blocks me, I'm free. We're gonna beat my enemies. As a king or as a knight, I will reign, I will fight until I shine in the night. Why should I stay? Please take me away from the life. I don't belong. With might and with force, I'm winning the war. No fears, here is where I'm truly strong. Why should I stay? Why should I stay? Please take me away. All has changed, no time to wait. Orcs and demons lurking, but I'm not afraid. Well prepared, confident, rushing through the halls with the sword in my hand. Getting stronger every hour, casting spells with so much power. People raise my banner, tanks on every castle tower. No quest too hard for me, if you wanna join, just bend the knee. Don't miss the chance of victory, we're gonna make history. Whatever I wanna be, nothing blocks me, I'm free. We're gonna beat my enemies. As a warlock or a mage, in every era, every age, keeping dragons in the cage. As a king or as a knight, I will reign, I will fight until I shine in the night. Why should I stay? Please take me away from the life I don't belong. With might and with force, I'm winning the war. No fears, here is where I'm truly strong. Why should I stay? Why should I stay? Please take me away. Why should I stay? Please take me away.